Hey guys, Elko Dude here. Don't mind my voice. It sounds a little dumb right now. I don't really know why. But this is just a little video. Haven't uploaded in a while, sorry. I just haven't really had anything going on really with the whole car at all. Or any of the cars really. There's a 72. But this is about the El Camino. It's making noises. Like, it's kind of weird. So, like, before I put the tranny in there, the old tranny I had in there was blown. None of these noises were there. I don't know. But, now I have two noises. Don't know what they are. Start the car up real quick, and one of them you'll probably hear right away. The other one is, like, I don't know if it's the brakes rubbing or the rear end's making a weird noise. But I'll start the car up real quick so y'all can, hear that real quick. It's not the whiny noise. It might come in a minute. It's like a tickety noise. I think the whining noise is the torque converter. If you know what that noise is, you can tell me too. It's still not really great. There it is. That ticking noise right there. If y'all can tell me what that is, I've been trying to do some research and stuff, but I can't really figure out what exactly the noise is. I really don't know. If you know what it is, can you please comment and say, by the way, don't mind that noise, but I'm gonna rev up the car real quick so y'all can hear it. It's not straight piped anymore. My brother welded the exhaust back for me, so y'all can hear how it sounds now. It's better than when I first got the car and I recorded it. It's a lot better now, so I'll let y'all hear it real quick. I know it puffed a little bit of smoke, don't worry about that. But, if y'all know what that noise is, please tell me. I might make a video about the rear end noise. We'll see. So I'm almost running out of light. Here's the little El Camino thing. El Camino thing, yeah. By the way, I might be throwing a new engine in this car soon. I know I should probably be worrying about the whole noise thing and fixing that first. But my uncle, he has a friend or whatever, and I might be getting it. There are two engine choices. I might be getting a 454, which I doubt, though. I might give that to him, my uncle, because he's got a project car. It's a 79 Malibu, 80 Malibu, and a 350. He might have more engines. We're not sure right now, but we'll see about that. Hopefully, if he has a 355 or 400 block or anything like that. My uncle's got a 400 block that I could probably buy from him, or he might even give it to me. It needs all the crap cleaned. But yeah, if y'all know what any of that crap is, please comment. Let me know. Please like and subscribe. Peace.